Hi, I'm General Barrico, and now we are going to discuss the common elements of a combined cycle power plant. Ang una, ang common element ng gas power plant ay ng combined cycle power plant is gas turbine. So ano nga ba yung gas turbine? Yung gas turbine is responsible for converting the chemical energy contained in the fuel. So yung gas turbine ay siya yung combustion engine ng combined cycle power plant. And combustion engine at the heart of a power plant that converts the natural gas or the liquid fuel to mechanical energy. Ang next element naman ay heat recovery steam generator or HRSG. The heat recovery steam generator is responsible for converting the energy contained in the exhaust gases of a gas turbine into potential energy of a steam at a specific pressure and temperature. So yung sabi nga kanina, yung ating gas turbine ay nagpo-produce siya ng exhaust heat. So dito sa heat recovery steam generator, dito siya napupunta. Na paglabas naman dun sa heat recovery steam generator natin, nagpo-produce siya ng high pressure steam na binabato naman sa ating steam turbine. So yung next is water steam cycle. This cycle includes a set of components responsible for transferring steam from a heat recovery steam generator to a steam turbine. Next ay steam turbine. The steam turbine is responsible for converting the potential energy of a steam into mechanical energy of a rotating shaft. So yun nga, kaya umiikot yung steam turbine natin dahil nga din sa steam. Yun yung steam ay yung potential energy na kino-convert sa mechanical energy. Then kaya gumagamit ang combined cycle power plant ng steam turbine at gas turbine is because it is used to produce up to 50% more electricity from the same fuel than a traditional simple cycle plant. The waste heat from the gas turbine is routed to the nearby steam turbine which generate extra power. Ang next component natin is generator. It is responsible for the efficient conversion of mechanical energy into electrical energy. So yung napoproduce ng steam turbine natin na mechanical energy, binabato naman nito sa ating generator na yung generator natin nagko-convert ng mechanical energy into electrical energy na dinidistribute dun sa mga transformer. Tapos yung transformer, nagdine-distribute naman niya dun sa mga power grid para i-supply dun sa ating mga industrial, sa ating industry na nangangailangan ng electricity. Next is electrical system. The combined cycle power plant electrical system provides both the power supply to the auxiliary equipment of power plant and the export of the generated power to the remote consumers. So yung electrical system natin, siya yung nagsusupply ng power dun sa auxiliary equipment ng power plant. Then siya din yung nag-export ng mga generated power ng ating power plant dun sa mga consumer or dun sa mga bahay-bahay. Next. Next is fuel supply system. Combined cycle power plant use natural gas as their primary fuel, although high quality diesel and other fuel are used in many cases. So yung fuel supply system natin, ito naman yung supply ng ating power plant ng ating fuel. Ang next is cooling system. Some of the thermal energy contained in the fuel cannot be used and must be discharged into the environment. So yung cooling system natin, I think ito yung kasama dito yung ating cooling tower na nagdi-discharge nung unnecessary heat or hindi kailangan na heat dun sa environment. So yung water purification system naman ay modern combined cycle power plants place high demand on the physico-psychochemical properties of the liquid. They use usually water, which requires the installation of additional system for its processing and control. Next is ancillary systems. Combined cycle power plants include other ancillary systems such as water treatment plants, fire protection system, and compressed air systems. So last na element ng combined cycle power plant is the control system. It is responsible for monitoring and controlling all the elements, and it is usually fully automated. So kung sasabihin natin na ang control system ay nagpe-play siya ng vital role sa isang power plant or sa isang system kasi ito yung nagko-control, nagmo-monitor ng paggalaw ng activity ng ating mga equipment or ng ating power plant.
Hi, I'm Eugene Olsis Copra, and I'm here to discuss the pros and cons of combined cycle power plant. And the number one pros is high overall plant efficiency. So, a combined cycle power plant has a thermodynamic cycle that operates between the gas turbine, high firing temperature, and the waste heat temperature from the condenser of the steam cycle. And this large range means that the Carnot cycle of the cycle is high. And the second pros is small amount of water required because gas combustion turbine required no cooling, and the overall combined cycle system required much less water for cooling than traditional steam turbine technologies. And the third pros is great operating flexibility. And the fourth pros is phase installation because the gas turbine can go into operation much sooner than the steam plant, and installation in this stage is possible. And the gas turbine plant can keep on generating power as the steam plant is under construction. And this make it possible to adjust the growth in demand for energy in the grid. And the fifth pros is simplicity of operation because the combined cycle power plant are generally operated fully automatically, and they are especially suitable for use where operating staff is less experienced. And the sixth pros is low environmental impact because the combined cycle technology uses both a gas turbine and a steam turbine to generate electricity burning natural gas, fuel with a lower environmental impact than other fossil fuel. And the last pros or the seventh pros of combined cycle power plant is fewer moving parts and less vibration than reciprocating engine. And that is the 7 pros of combined cycle power plant. And let's go on to the cons of combined cycle power plant. So the first cons is longer startup because the steam drum of the more convenient design is a handicap for fast startup because it is massive and therefore takes a long time to reach its operating temperature. And the second cons is less responsive to power demands And the third cons is shrill whining noise. Yung pagpapatakbo ng isang combined cycle power plant ay masyadong maingay o masyadong malakas yung tunog. Siyempre, ayaw naman natin ng malakas ng tunog. And the fourth pros is fuel treatment process is costly. So sa combined cycle, ang fuel treatment daw ay masyadong magastos. And the last cons is uneconomical partial load operation. And that is the 5 cons of combined cycle power plant. Thank you.